My goal today is to give you the tools that you can use on a regular basis to help empower you to overcome negativity and to help other people, that your clients and your coworkers and in your community and as a team, to help them have the guts to move forward in their life. One of my very favorite role models is Denise Brown. Denise is the sister of Nicole Brown Simpson. And I'm going to let Denise tell you firsthand, when we went and interviewed her out in California for this documentary called Women with Guts, what she had to say about gaining knowledge in her situation, because she did not know anything about domestic violence.
I became an advocate June 12, 1994. And actually I wasn't even an advocate then. That was just when my whole world just turned upside down. Nicole was murdered, my sister, who, we were very, very close, especially when we were growing up.
Pretty powerful stuff, right? But look what she accomplished. Look at that example of a woman with guts who took an incredibly negative situation and turned it around to be able to use that to share and help other women not become a victim like her sister. The goal I want to have for you all before the end of this session is for you to go through the GUTS formula and to walk out with an action plan. It doesn't have to be foolproof, it doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but at least when you walk out you say, you know what, these 4 things I'm going to do, or I'm going to do 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is, but I want you to see action right away.